Welcome, warrior. Here's the truth. Real healing hurts before it heals. Grief isn't weakness, but it's love that refuses to die. When God allows you to walk through loss, He isn't punishing you, but He's purifying you. Because what is grief, if not love persevering? It's love still standing, even when everything else has fallen apart. So today, we're diving into 3 powerful lessons that reveal how God transforms grief into growth. Step 1. Find purpose in the pain. Every scar has a story, and every tear has meaning. When you face grief, don't run from it, but examine it. Ask yourself, what is this teaching me? Pain reveals your priorities. It forces you to see what truly matters. The Stoics taught endurance, but God teaches transformation. Through pain, He trains your soul to love deeper, to appreciate clearer, and to stand taller. Step 2. Trust the rebuild. God never leaves His children broken. You may feel like life has fallen apart, but sometimes He tears down the old so He can build something unshakable. Faith isn't about understanding the plan, but it's about trusting the planner. Your loss is not the end of the story. It's the groundwork for your next chapter. And when God rebuilds, He never restores you to what you were, but He refines you into who you were meant to be. Step 3. Surrender the scar. Healing begins when you stop hiding what hurt you. Let God touch the wound you've been protecting. Because the same hands that broke the bread, healed the blind, and carried the cross are reaching for you. Don't waste your pain. Offer it to God, and let your scar become the proof that love still perseveres. You are your longest commitment, so treat yourself like someone who deserves to win. Stay vicious, stay victorious, and remember, you are a warrior. If you're ready to stop surviving and start conquering, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more inspiration. Catch you in the next one.